All right, so I'm doing a full service on this Ford Focus SEL from 2010. I did the oil change, air filter, and now I'm going to do the spark plug. So first thing I'm going to do is take off these little coil packs. This is an 8mm bolt. Take that off first, and these should pop right on out. All right, it just slides right on out. Just like that. All right, so what I have here is a 5/8 with a swivel extension. This will go down to here. Should fit on there pretty snug. Simply crack them loose. That should be it. And to actually get the plug out of here, if you don't have a a socket plug, a spark plug socket, you can take the boot, slide this in there, and it'll grip it for you. So, boom. Do this right, it should bring the spark plug right on out, just like that. So, if the car has been driven, go ahead and grab a towel. That thing is probably pretty hot. And just like this, set this on the towel. And set it to the side. Now for the new plugs, these are Bosch Double Platinum 8108. I'm gonna drop the link down in the description below, but $7 for these, pretty good deal. Only need 4 of them. But for the new plug here, take it out the box. Gonna take the plug, you're gonna take some dielectric grease right here in this bag. You're gonna take this grease and rub it on the top right here where the boot makes contact. So it goes all around this area. After that's done, you screw this in and you should be good to go. And you just need the bare minimum amount. So I'm gonna squeeze some out real quick. You guys can see. You see that little bit right there that just came out? That is literally all you need. If you put too much, see all that right there? That might be too much. If you put too much, it's just gonna float. The ignition cord is gonna float on top of it, so don't put too much at all. So just rub this around top of it, and you should be good to go. So all I'm gonna do is just slide the ignition coil into the engine. Slide it right down into there. There we go. Ratchet and extension. What we do is get it nice and even and tighten it down. And it should fall into place by itself. And for the torque spec, it says it right here on the box. This one will be 15 foot-pounds or 20 newton-meters of torque. If you don't have a torque wrench, what you can do is get it as tight as you can, just regularly like this. Just get it as tight as you can like this first. And what you want to do is go a whole quarter turn more. So just boom, full-on quarter turn, and that should be good enough for it. There we go, 15 pounds. Throw the ignition coil back on. Just throw the bolt back on, tighten everything down, and you should be good to go. And it should be a nice snug fit. All right, so once they're all completed, you can go ahead and start the car up, make sure everything works fine. If you have no check engine lights, you're good to go. If you need any of the tools I use, link in the description below. Other than that, if you have any comments, comment down below. Please like and subscribe. Other than that, thanks for watching.